Here's something you may not know about the greenhouse growing industry. You see all of these plants behind me. These plants, we actually have to order them up to a year in advance before we grow them, which means that by the time a lot of these get here and start growing, I've kind of forgotten what we ordered that long ago. And so I go through this really fun time where I find these little Easter eggs of plants that I just was like, oh yeah, I forgot we were growing that. So let me show you a few. Like, check out this coleus. This is Terrascape Pink Ribbons. You can see why they call it Pink Ribbons, and it is super cool. I've also got a couple of Proven Winner sweet potato vines I'm really excited about. This one that has kind of the camouflage leaf here. This is Shadow Storm, which is part of the Sweet Caroline series from Proven Winners. The colors on these are just so stinking cool. Also in that same series, we have a climbing sweet potato vine, which I'm really excited about. So this one is Upside Key Lime, and it will actually grow a trellis up to 6 feet tall. You can see these tendrils that it's making already. This is gonna be a really vigorous, fast growing plant, really cool looking leaves, and a sweet potato that will climb, very unique. Now this here is a petunia called Night Sky. You can see it's got this really deep purple with the white splotches on it that look like stars. But there's also another one that's called Splash Dance Magenta Mambo. That's a newer one, and you can see the color is quite a bit different from the Night Sky one, and that's really cool to see. Great pattern on that. Here's another interesting petunia. This is from Proven Winners. This is Supertunia Latte. You don't see this color very often with this kind of chocolate center with a nice creamy white on the outside. So that one I'm excited about too. This coleus stopped me in my tracks the other day. Oh, they got the teardrop coleus one that everyone was wanting last year. The little leaves. Chocolate drop. Chocolate drop. Also from Proven Winners, this is Color Blaze Chocolate Drop. And this is a trailing coleus with smaller leaves. Look at these tiny little leaves with the drops of chocolate in the middle. This is a great filler slash spiller for your containers. Now these marigolds are still really young, but they are starting to show their colors now. This one is called Fireball. Super cool blooms on it, and it's gonna get bigger and bloom a lot more. And then this one is brand new, at least to me. This is Strawberry Blonde. So look at that coloring on the Strawberry Blonde marigold. I'm excited to see how these develop as they continue to grow. This is a really cool pairing, and it was kind of accidental. So we got our black petunias here. This one is Ray Black, always popular black petunias, but they happen to be next to this newer Tradescantia called Pistachio White. And I like how the white Tradescantia pairs with those black petunias. So check this out. This is a plant that I consider a rising star. It is called Alternathera. And Alternathera, I think, is going to be used much, much more in the upcoming years because it's got this great colored foliage. This variety is called Choco Chili. But it is a mounding, trailing type plant. So it's gonna be awesome in flower beds or especially in containers as that filler slash spiller in the container that gives you a really cool contrast, and I love it. Very heat tolerant. So yeah, super exciting time in the greenhouse. Hopefully you are enjoying this beautiful spring weather we're having, and you get to check out some of these new additions to the greenhouses too. So thanks for joining today.